I'm going to show you quickly how to attach the outer piece of fabric to your lining fabric by the ankle cuffs. Okay, so you're going to start off by making sure that both the outer and the lining are lying front facing up, which is the shorter side of the neck piece. We put the ankle band folded in half inside the leg, matching up the seams. We're going to put a couple of pins in to hold it in place. So from one side seam, stretch it so that it equally fits within the ankle band. Okay, and then quarter it. And all of the time you want to make sure that the raw edges are neatly aligned. And I put a couple more pins in to hold it all in place. Okay, once that's pinned in place, I'm just going to put one more there. We're going to turn this inside out so that our right side's now facing out, which makes it a lot easier to attach the ankle of your lining piece, because we need it so that the right sides, because this is currently inside out, we need the right sides touching. So we're going to put the cuff inside the lining, and now you can see the right sides of the cuff are adjacent to the right sides of the lining piece of fabric. And then we're going to just use the pins that we've just used here to pin it all together. Oh, I just need an extra one. Making sure you're aligning your seams for neatness, and your raw edges are all being kept neatly aligned to each other. Okay, so you're going to work your way round like we just did with the main piece, making sure that your side seams are aligned and that you're evenly distributing the stretch of the cuff by pulling as you go along and marking halfway and quarter points. And repinning, and you can use lots of pins because this makes sure it all stays in place, so that when you come to sew it all together, you've got it nicely and neatly put together. I think that's all of them nearly. Yep, there you have it. You've got your outer piece attached to your lining piece by the cuffs. Now all you've got to do is sew around both of those and you'll be ready to move on to the next step.